If you're looking to purchase an affordable espresso machine that does all the works, I have made previous 2 video tutorials on reviewing these 2 machines behind me. So what I have here are from Romola Next, and this is Romola Titan. These machines are a step up to previous machines from China, the 3200 series, because these 2 actually have direct water line connection, so you don't need to use any built-in tank or tanks that are not convenient for you to keep changing the water in. And this one, the price of the Romola Next is about $750 and I would pair it with this grinder. This grinder is 60 millimeter burr grinder, flat burr grinder, and the price is about $300. Together they would be in the region of about $1,050, affordable, good enough for home use and also for coffee shops that have 20 to 60 cups per day. And this machine here is a slightly more advanced version of the Romola Next. This is the Romola Titan. It has more features. Again, everything is programmable. You can program including the pre-infusion time and the wait time before you actually brew your coffee. And because this is a more advanced one, I would recommend that you pair it with a slightly bigger coffee grinder. Now this is a 64 millimeter burr grinder, flat burr grinder. What happens when the burr is wider, it gives you a finer grind of coffee, so it's more accurate. So there you go. This is about $850 and the grinder is about $400, so this 2 would be in the region of about $1,250. And I would recommend this machine if you're planning to open a coffee shop that you expect to have at least 40 to 80 cups a day, or you can stretch it up to 100 depending on how often or how fast the turnover or the customer turnover is. So absolutely highly recommended. If you would like to purchase any of these machines, I will put the link in the description box below. Any other questions? Let me know. I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.